Hi, Saptagiri.
Hi Ranjana,
How are you doing today?
doing great, thank you.
So, I wanted to ask you one unique thing. I think it's very unique with Sarathi International that you have successfully transitioned through generations. You're third generation already, right? And
Absolutely.
your daughter is coming in as well.
Yes, very excited about my daughter
So,
joining us soon.
wonderful. So, two things. One, did you do something to actually get her interested?
Not at all. I think
Yeah.
she's grown up
Okay.
coming to the factory on special occasions, being part of all of our celebrations, and basically observed all the conversations that we have as a family.
Right.
So the business doesn't end at the office, it kind of makes its way home.
Okay.
And a lot of our dinner conversations are around what's going on in the business, what's
Right.
exciting, what's new happening. And as kids, we've all been part of those conversations, and we find it intriguing and interesting.
Yeah.
And I think it naturally comes that they want to be part of the business.
That's nice. Nice to hear this. I mean, I don't know if parents have tricks to get their children in anymore. So that's wonderful to hear. Second thing, which is actually very business strategy technical, maybe. How do you successfully transition over decades? It's been, how many years is it? About 70, 80 years, the
Yeah,
business?
so we complete 80 years this year at
Wonderful.
Sarathi Group. So 1945, my grandfather started this. We are a
Wow.
pre-independence company.
Okay.
So excited that it's the 80th year
Okay.
that the next generation is going to come in and help us build a business. So
Right.
looking forward to it.
Nice. So, what do you do internally in terms of the structure and in terms of organizationally? Is there a workflow that you follow to make sure every generation's changes is incorporated, yet the the goal, the success of the company is prioritized?
Yeah, absolutely. So we are very, very different
Okay,
from other family-owned businesses
right.
in the sense that every new generation person who comes in gets the full authority to do what they want from day one.
Okay,
Okay, so I remember the first week I joined my business in 1996,
okay,
December it was, and the first week that I joined, the bank was given a letter authorizing me to sign the checks.
oh,
Okay, and the second week, maybe about 100 checks were dumped on my desk and asked
okay,
me to sign. And then I asked my dad and grandfather, I don't know anything about the business, so how
hmm,
do you expect me to sign these checks?
right,
So they said you better learn fast because people are waiting for their payments.
okay,
So that's the kind of training process that we have. And usually people kind of hold on to their position in the business,
right,
whether it's the authority to make a decision or
okay,
whether it's the office or their desk or whatever. They don't give it up easily. It's the total opposite in my family. What happens is that the day I came in, we realized I don't have an office of my own,
okay,
and it was going to take a few months to make one. So grandfather said, "Okay, look, I don't sit in the office for long anyway. I'm
hmm,
usually in the factory, so
right.
you can have my office." And he gave me his office the day I walked in. So that shows a lot of kind of importance that we place on the next generation
Wonderful.
taking over the business. So, and that gives us a young person coming in.
Hmm.
It's a lot of responsibility. We feel
Yes.
responsible for it, and we want to make sure we take it to the next level. We
Yeah.
want to make sure we don't make mistakes. We want to do justice for the position that we're given in.
Yeah.
So it's a different way of doing it.
Yeah.
Generally,
No,
people
the accountability
the
sets in very
accountability
early,
sets
right?
in within, not that
Yes.
somebody is asking
Correct.
for it.
Correct.
So for me, at least, that was a big deal for me, and I always felt responsible, and I always wanted to show them that I'm worthy of the position that I've been given.
Right.
And I mean, a lot of us joined the business at the same time, my friends in the similar businesses,
Mm-hmm.
and their experiences are vastly different.
Yes. Yes.
So I hope I can be as generous with my daughters as my parents were with me.
I wonder if she knows that her first day is going to be transformational for
Yeah, I think
you.
she knows already. She is also excited,
Yeah.
and she's also kind of thinking about it, and a little bit worrying about it,
Okay.
how she's going to do
That's
it.
fine. It's a good
Yeah,
good
it's a
worry, right? So
good
it's a good,
worry.
yeah.
I mean, she's really wants to be a part of it also.
Yes.
Excited. Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you. Is
Thank
there
you.
any special message you'd like to tell anyone who's bringing their next generation into the business?
I think welcome them and give them all the freedom.
Yeah.
Let them make as many mistakes as they need to learn.
Yeah.
If it's a multi-generation business, we have a good baseline and we have good backing.
Okay.
So it's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to lose a little bit of money or little bit of time, and that's the only way to kind of help them build it. Because when you're joining a family business, you don't have a traditional way of training people.
Right.
So how much ever you want to do it, you don't start from the bottom really.
Yeah.
So if they're starting from the top, give them all the authority and kind of let them find their own way.
Well, wonderful. It's
Thank you.
really nice to hear that, and I think it's a rather refreshing approach. As well, like you said, everyone has a varied take on it,
Yes.
but it's quite nice to understand how Sarathi International has done this.
Thank you so much, Ranju.
Thank you. Thank you.